This is how an Adormi multi-function Bluetooth controlled nightclub lighting system looks like. After building this circuit, you will control the color of the RGB LED strip through a GUI window on your computer. You will learn about the building blocks for Bluetooth controlled projects, introduction to development of wireless PAN, GFSK GMSK modulation, UART serial communication, IEEE 802.15 Bluetooth protocol, AT1E1A66 microcontroller, pulse width modulation, RGB LED operation, Bluetooth technology and market segments. This is the Bluetooth module. This is the Bluetooth module switch. This is the microcontroller. This is the RGB LED strip. This is the voltage regulator. These are the switching transistors. This is the 9-volt adapter. This is the computer with the program. This is the GUI. Click on Start. Click on Control Panel. Now click on Add a device under Hardware and Sound. You will see HC05 Bluetooth module in your dialog box. Double click on this option. Now click the option that says Enter the device's pairing code. The device pairing code for HC05 is 1234. Click on Next. The device has now been paired to your computer. The Bluetooth module must be correctly placed with the markings on the module made to match with the markings on the PCB. Markings on the RGB LED strip must also be matched with the markings on the PCB. Ensure power on button is off before you connect the 9-volt adapter. The range of the Bluetooth module has been tested in up to 5 meters. The Bluetooth module switch must be set in COM mode. Ensure both files discolite.fig and discolite.m are in the same folder when you execute discolite.fig. The LEDs on the Bluetooth module will start blinking on power on. Find the executable MATLAB file given to you in the Adormi CD under the heading of Softwares. Double-click the file named discolite.fig and open it with MATLAB. Execute the file discolite.fig. When you click on a color box, the MATLAB code associated with that box sends a unique character assigned to that box via Bluetooth and the Bluetooth module to the microcontroller. The microcontroller recognizes the character and sends an RGB value to the pulse width modulation pins, which controls the colors in the RGB LEDs. pressing the button Disco Light, the RGB LED goes through all the colors it can produce rapidly. This creates the effect of a disco light. Notice, once you have pressed the disco light button, you will have to press the reset button to show any other color or exit the program. Make sure the Bluetooth module switch is always set to COM. Make sure the Bluetooth module is placed in the correct way, aligned with the correct pins as mentioned on the PCB. Make sure the RGB LED strip is placed in the correct way, aligned with the correct pins as mentioned on the PCB. Most of the problems lie in the faulty soldering. Check all the soldering joints. If you find a short track or the solder joint badly soldered, resolder at that point and check all other soldering joints. Make sure there are no errors in the MATLAB command window as shown. Check the position of all components on the PCB. Look for missing components or components in the wrong position. Make sure all polarized components are soldered in the right direction. Also take care of 3 terminals of each transistor. If you are new to soldering, we recommend you watch the soldering video and instructions provided in the CD. Make sure the microcontroller is placed in the right direction and properly fixed. If the lights on the RGB LED strip do not change, try pressing the reset button or restarting the GUI on your computer.